Hey guys, so I have worked on my website CGHOW.com, and now on the top you can see the submit your work button, and from there you can just upload your work on my site, and that will be highlight here, that will be showcased here also. So how you do that? Let me just open the guest mode and open the site CGHOW.com, and you don't require any login for that. So you can see I have a guest mode. If I click here, it just show you this thing. So what you have to do, you have to name here, let's say I call it test name, then test at email. You have to put your email, then title my work, then this thing, then you have to choose the category what you have, your work, tutorial, showreel, whatever you have, and then you have to put the link of your video here. So let's say if I take any random video from internet like this one, I just copy the URL and I just paste it here, and then I'll just type something like this is my work. And if you want any thumbnail, you can just choose from here. Let's say I choose this one and just submit. So once it will submit successfully, so you can see the success, you have successfully submitted. So on my original here in admin, if I refresh, that's my work. Actually, you don't have to do it. I will see your work here, and it is in draft, so I will just publish it from my side if nothing is wrong in this post. Okay, so all the thing you have put, your work, your video, your thumbnail, I can see. Then I will just publish if I think this is good for my website. So you can just post works on my website, and we can also, when you will publish your work, I can comment here, I can like, and lots of other people who visit my website can see your work. So it is good for you if you want to publish your work like in a big audience, because I have some visitor on my sites. So that's it for now. I will keep improving this whole thing in my website. So that's it for